Alright, we just took in a 15 F-250 gas truck. This thing's really nice, well taken care of. It's been lifted. It's got a real nice set of Toyo, like all-terrain tires on it. It does have the attachment in the bed for the fifth wheel or gooseneck. It does also have those all-weather mats there as well. But low mileage, only has 62,000 miles, which is hard to come by for a 15 F-250. And believe me, there's plenty of people out there that love the gas motor over the diesel motor. Expenses and repairs are way cheaper on the gas setup. But the inside is just as clean as the outside. It does have the aftermarket cat skin leather seats. I don't even think the rear seats have ever been sat in, to be honest. But anyways, that gives you a quick idea of the truck. If you're in the market for it, it's on our website for $33,000, which not every day you get a 4-door long bed F-250 gas truck. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description below to our website, and when you call up here, just ask for Terry Jansen. I'll have the phone number in the description below.